Hi, welcome to Missologist. So we've got some really cool stuff today, but the first thing I'm doing is trying these infusions because I keep seeing them everywhere and I really wanted to see what they're like because, you know, it's a really cool concept. They put all these dried fruits in there and citrus and, you know, mint leaves or whatever, sugar, and you add the alcohol and then you can leave it in as long as you want, and then you get to try something like vodka with a bunch of cool flavors in it. So so we have 4 different kinds. We have the Cran-cherry, which I put vodka in. We have the Blackberry Stinger, which I put vodka in. We have the Campfire, which sounds really interesting, and I put vodka in that. And then we have the Raspberry Mojito, which should have rum in it, but I put tequila in it because, you know, I was seeing what that would be like. So I'm going to try all of these today. Now what you do is you strain it into a shot glass if you want to have a shot, or, you know, they suggest putting it in a cup with you know, ice and soda water or whatever, or you know, you can experiment and play around, put these in different cocktails, see what that's like. But I'm just gonna try them plain because, you know, I'm curious to see how the flavors are. So we're going to take a jar for the first one. I'm gonna use this really cute little strainer thing, and I'm gonna try a Cran-cherry first because I think that one sounds really interesting. I'm not gonna pour a whole bunch in here, just a little bit, because I don't wanna waste it. Oh dear. And of course I made a mess. Okay. So, as you can see, some of the fruit stuff came out, which is what I was expecting. So I'm just gonna put that back in here. It's really gorgeous color, so let's see how it tastes, shall we? Smells good. Smells really strong. Basically, you know, like vodka, but it'll be interesting to see what the actual flavor is. So this is from Vima's Fizz House, by the way. And what's in this one is cranberry, cherry, lemon, clove, blend of organic cane sugar, cane syrup, and honey. So a lot of sweetener. And, you know, some other interesting flavors. So let's see if I can actually taste any of them. Okay, all right. It is strong by itself, but it's not like so strong that it, you know, burns your throat or anything. It's just, this is pure vodka. So, however, the parts I could taste, I think I was definitely getting the tartness of the cranberry, and I was getting some sweetness. I'm not sure if I noticed the clove or the lemon. It was definitely sweet, and so that's probably some of the sweetener, but let's see. That time I got more of the other flavors, but I would say the vodka is definitely taking over, and so the pure ethanol is just hitting me, and so I'm getting a lot of the pure alcohol. But that being said, I think it's cool. I think it'd be really cool to, you know, make a Cosmo with this or something, or do something that is vodka based and you have this flavoring, so it's kind of neat because it'll enhance your ginger cocktail. And I mean, or you can just drink it straight like I just did. But just be aware that it's very ethanol-y, and so you may choke and die. Okay, now we're gonna try a Campfire, which is smoky orange and vanilla. So it has tea in it, it has orange, vanilla extract, and cane sugar. And I thought this one sounded really interesting. So I am excited to try this one. So put this one in this little glass here. And this one again had vodka in it as well. So I'm expecting more of the ethanol. Maybe I'll be better at pouring it this time. Yeah, a little bit easier in the small glass. Okay. Alright. So let's try this Campfire out. This too is a very pretty color. Is it like sparkly? Okay. Anyway, sorry, I felt liquid hit my arm. What was that? Okay. Anyway, so it's kind of orangey colored. So yeah, appropriate for the name Campfire. Smells really smoky. Almost like mezcal. It just hits you with, but it smells like a campfire actually. So okay. Okay, never mind. I liked it, and then the smoke just hits you, and it's like pure smoke. It's essentially like eating. Oh my god, it's like eating a log. I mean, a log that's on fire. It's smoking out. I don't know. It's very smoky. I don't think this would be something I would drink personally, but it's an interesting idea, and they definitely did get the smoke through. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not being a huge fan of the smoky taste anyway. I just think this is a little too in-your-face smoke for me. But if you're into that, you probably would like that. Okay, so next we're going to try the Blackberry Stinger, which is blackberry, orange, ginger, blend of organic cane sugar, cane syrup, and honey. So again, a lot of sweetener. But I think that it sounds pretty interesting with the ginger and orange stuff and the blackberries. Let us see how this one tastes. Oh, and a little jar of this is supposed to give you 2 shots or 2 drinks, worth. So, just FYI. And then a big jar is supposed to give you 5 plus drinks. Okay, so this is a Blackberry Stinger. Again, the color is really, really pretty. And again, I put vodka in here. Yeah, I put vodka in there. Right off the bat, it smells interesting. I'm not really getting anything clearly out of there. I'm just getting sort of a so we'll see how it tastes. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I see why they call it a stinger. The ginger is very, very strong. It started very mild, just kind of sweet, and then the ginger just hits and it's overpowering. It's stingy. So yeah, Blackberry Stinger is a very appropriate name for that. I'm not a huge fan of ginger, like that. Excuse me. So I don't know, again, that I would personally want to drink this by itself or in another drink. but they did a very good job of getting that flavor in there, and you know, it stings you. It's essentially very much like a sting. Okay, so I'm gonna hit my mic. Okay, so the last one is the raspberry mojito, and as I said, probably supposed to be rum or vodka. At least that's what they suggest. But I put in tequila because why not? So, okay, let's see how this one is. Oh, and this one has raspberries, lemon, mint leaves, lime, and again, a lot of sweeteners, like 3 different kinds of sweeteners. So, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put it in here. And I seem to, oh, you know, I've gotten better. I'm not making a mess with this one. Okay, so let's see how that is. Okay, I can smell the tequila, much like with the Cran-cherry. You can just smell the alcohol very strongly. Oof, yeah, the tequila fumes are hitting me very strongly right away when I sniff this drink. Let's try it. Oh, actually, I really like that. It's really good with the tequila. It's got a lot of tartness from the raspberries, but then it slips into that tequila flavor. So, you know, the agave and all of that is in there too. And it's actually very pleasant. It's, I'm not getting the mint, and I wouldn't say I'm getting the lemon, but I'm getting the tartness of what I assume is the raspberries. And then, like I said, the tequila is actually married very nicely with these flavors. Now, I think you're supposed to infuse these for like 2 days, and I actually did it for like 2 weeks just because I kind of forgot and, you know, hadn't filmed. So, that could account for the fact that these are really strong tasting. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, it's probably a good thing actually because I'm getting, you know, the full flavors. But if you buy these, you might get less of a, you know, a hit of ginger, a hit of smoke. You might get a more mild flavor. I happen to just leave these for a very long time. That being said, again, I do like the raspberry mojito with tequila. I am curious to see what it would taste like with rum. So, you know, that could be something I could try to actually do what they say on the thing. But that being said, I think these are pretty good. I think this idea of infusions is really neat because it's a really great way to get flavor into these alcohols and kind of feel like you're playing around, you know. And you can experiment by putting these in different cocktails, you know, like this, like I said, it's tequila, so maybe I can make a margarita with, you know, with this, raspberry margarita, whatever. Yeah, I think it's